In this video, I'm going to talk about Revolut single-use virtual card. I'm going to explain what you can use it for and also the limitations. If you're an avid online shopper, the single-use virtual card is going to be very useful for you. And this is because the card ensures security even if the details of your card are already exposed. Now, one of the things you need to understand is that this card is ideal for retailers you do not know, especially when you are buying something from somewhere that's new to you. Now, it also ensures that you are protected from fraud. So if, for example, a fraudster gets a hold of your card details after you pay, they can't use it again. Then it is made for one-time online payment, and refunds can still reach you whenever you have a dispute with an online seller. So if you are an avid shopper, I will recommend that you use the single-use virtual card as you get protected with this card. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.